3-6, 3-6, 3-6, 6-3.
After a final that was dramatic and bizarre and puzzling, it all ends well for Stan. He is the man in Melbourne, the 2014 Australian Open champion. The first time he claims Grand Slam glory.
Yeah, there's a chat here, obviously, about what the issue was, and Nadal. Look, I mean, I have some sympathy for him. He obviously had an injury. He desperately wanted to win this. I think there's lessons for players out there to recognise if you've got an injury and if there's any possible way to continue, take something. You never know what's going to happen. And he almost was able to push that to a fifth set.
The court when he was 1-5 down and expected Wawrinka was going to win.
Without that treatment, and there he's talking now, and that's a nice moment there with Wawrinka just checking on Nadal to see and say, hey, what really happened? How is the back doing?
2 hours and 21 minutes it takes, and it was round about 1 hour ago where Rafael